Hi guys, welcome back to the teaching again. So this is the second part of the Photoshop tutorial. So in this video I am going to explain how to download the Photoshop with the crack files. So let's get started. Let's go to your any of your browser. Like I'm opening the Google Chrome. Here you have to search get PC soft. जस्ट हिट एंटर. सो पहला वाला लिंक आपको क्लिक करना है. सो हियर इन राइट साइड यू कैन सी द रेड कलर सर्च हियर. ओके, सर्च बॉक्स. सो हियर यू हैव टू सर्च Photoshop, otherwise you can search Adobe. So I am searching here Adobe. So in this tutorial I am going to explain this Photoshop 2021. So that I am clicking this first one. So you have to click this first one. Okay, then go below. You can see this is the download link with the crack file also available in this zip file. Otherwise please check my description, I have provided there. So I'm clicking this link, so it will navigate to the another page. Okay, here you can see this countdown is running. So after finishing this one you have to click the I am not robot. Okay, so below you can see click download link. You have to click this link, so it will open another page. So in this page you can see this click to download. I'm clicking this download. Okay, it will download. Okay, I am just cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. So I'm going to my file. So this is the file Adobe Photoshop 2021 I have downloaded. In this zip file you can see the setup file also available, and they have provided some instruction file, readme.file. So we have to read it. Okay, so here no crack file is required because in this zip they have provided already sketch file. Just right click and run the administrator. So please install this one. So तब तक के लिए bye, thank you, and please do subscribe and like and share this video to your friends. Bye दोस्तों.